out your mean part. Okay. Interpret the two measures of center and tendency, so you can interpret them after removing the mode and mean of the different formulas. Okay. So first of all, you need to know what is mode formula. Mode formula is given as, is denoted with the letter Z. Let me say only mode formula. The mode formula is given as mode equals to L is your lower limiting value plus F1 is your frequency at 1 and F preceding class is at F0 and 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2. F1 and F2 are your preceding and succeeding classes. F0 is your frequency of the major class. Okay. So after that, you will be having preceding values and this values. Okay. F0 is a preceding value of F1 and F2 is a succeeding value of F1. Okay. So F1 is mandatory to remove. Into your H, you know the difference of these two. The class interval, the difference of the class interval. Okay. So let me write the ages as your class intervals. Your class interval and the number of patients is your f of I, and you know f of I. See, why do we require this one? To remove mean. To remove mean, let me remove mean over here. I will be removing direct method, sigma of f of I into x of I by sigma of f of I. Okay, let's see how to do with this sum out. 5 to 15 is your frequency given, 15 to 25 is given, 25 to 35 is given, 35 to 45 is given, 45 to 5 is given, 55 to 5 is given. And similarly, the frequencies are also given as like this. One minute. 21, 23, 14, and 5. So here you should be removing out L value, F value, and so forth, so on. And H, you know the value of H is your difference of class interval. H is for sure n units. As you know it, you can directly assume it out. And you should. This is F0, and again this is F2. I'm just substituting everything in your mode. Equal to L value is your lower limiting value, that is your 35 plus F1. So what is your value of F1? F1 is 23. F1 is only 23. F0 is 21 by 2 into F1 is 23 minus 21 minus F2 is 14 into H value is 10. So similarly, let me solve this. 35 plus this is your 2 value. This is your 46 minus 535 into 10. So at last the denominator comes out to be how much? The denominator comes out to be 11. So here I can write 35 plus, doing these two into is a 20 by 11. Okay, 20 by 11. So when I divide this 20 by 11, 11 ones I'll get 11, 9 is left out, one more 0 I need to. So here we get here 8 is 88. So 88. So this repeats out. So let me write this. So this new division fraction comes out to be 35 plus 1.8. So that is your 36.8. Okay. So this is your mode value. Similarly, let us look at the mean value now. So here x of x. So to remove the mean value, you will be requiring what? You should be requiring sigma of f of I x of I sigma by sigma of f of I xi divided by a sigma of f of I. So when I'm doing the summation of this is your 90, 90, 20, 30, 30, 41, 47. So 47 plus 23 is your, that comes out 80. So this is around like 80. Now x of y, let's remove x of y. X of y is the middle values of all these values. So this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, 50, and 60. And the next thing which is left out is x of y into x of y, f of y into x. So you need to do this directly over here. So if I do this, get 60. This is 220. This is 0, 3 and 6, 30. This comes out 0, 8, 9, 20. 0, 4, 22, 700. Hope I'm right. I'm not wrong anywhere. So this is 300. Now this is into x of y. When I'm doing this, this becomes overall 5, 7, 7 plus 3 comes out with 13, 3, 1, 10, 6, 3, 8. Yeah, 2 is left out, 28. So what do we have here? 2, 8, 0 by 8. So 0 is removed directly. So when I'm solving this, what we will be getting, get 4 the rest will get with pizza. 3, 5 will get 0.3. Yes, roughly. Okay. So if you're looking at the mode value and the mean value here, this is your mean value and the mode value is over here, right? The difference of these two is approximately same, right? So what do we interpret is the mode value is less than the mean value in the given sum, right? Is then mode, right? But is asking of the number of patients admitted. Okay. When they are asking about the patients admitted, then this is your required answer. Clear? Good. So let's look at the next sum. The next sum is quite easy. You need to just substitute the values and we'll use only value. Here lifetimes is a class interval and this is your frequency f of y, that is your frequency 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29, 38, 29 here, 100 to 120, 80 to 100, 60 to 80, 40 to 60, 20 to 40, 0 to 20. So let us look at the mode that is denoted with letter Z. L plus, what's your lower limiting value? F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0, 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. To H. So the maximum frequency value where you are getting it at around 52. So this should be your not 52, the maximum is 61. So this is your F1, F0, F2, wherever your F1 is your L value, the H is your difference, H is equals to your 20. So the lower limiting value is 60 plus 61 minus 52 by 2 into 61 minus F0 is your 52 minus F2 is 38 and this difference is around 20. Now let me solve this. This is your 60 plus the difference of these two is your 9 and this is your 2 and it comes out to be 12 and then 2 minus 182, right? Yes, 90 into 20. So this is your 60 plus 9 by doing this difference is your 32 into your 20. So dividing this one using a 12, right? Isn't it? Now doing these two into you said 36, 36 by your 8. So here 36. Next is this 5 comes out. So this division over here. Wait. This is 5 times, right? This is 5 times. For 5 are 20, 4 8 are 32. Yeah, very good. So this is a 45, 45 by 8. Now you're dividing 45 by 8. 45 is divided by 8. 5 times goes to 40. Comes 5 times dot here. So this goes out a dot and what is the other 6 dot? Yeah, that is 48. So the answer is 5.6. So here we are getting 5.6. So if I add up these two, that is your 65.6 is your required mode value. That is your 65.6 hours. Okay, so let's look at the next sum. 1 minus f naught by 2 into f for h value. Okay, so let's remove the data here. I'm having 1000 to 1500, right? 1500 to 1000 to 2 again 3000, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 5000. Frequencies are given as 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, and 7. The highest among them is your 40. So 40 should be your F1, this is your F0, this is your F2, and this is your limiting value N. So let us directly substitute in the formula. 1500 plus F1 value is your 40 minus 24 by 2 into F1 is your 40 minus 24 minus 33 into H is your 500 is your difference. So this is your 1500 plus. Now when I'm subtracting this to 16 is left out here. 80 minus 57 is left out. I'm doing here in 500, right? Yeah, here 500. Okay. So this is left out as, so this decreases as, doing these two into, we will be getting 8000 exactly. And doing this one subtraction as 23 in your denominator. So dividing these two, the resultant is 1500 plus 347.8. At last, when you're adding up these two, the resultant is 1847.8. This is the modal value, that is the mode of this given data. And he is also and he is also asking us to remove the mean of the given data. So let us remove the mean using your step deviation method, that is a plus sigma of f of I into f of I by sigma of f of I into h. So as you all know, what we have assumed here, we assume some meaning data. So let's see how to do this sum here. Yeah. So let's start with this. This is your xi value. Xi value is off of your class interval. For this is your the middle value of the class interval. This is the value of this. This is the middle value of this class interval and value of this interval, and this middle value of class interval. 425047, and we can sigma of f of I also. Sigma of f of I is 200 given over here. Okay. So what I would assume the mean method is, if I take here a has to be this number, it is really less, right? So what I'll take here is, I'll be taking here the data has to be given as such, just useful for easy integration sense, right? So let me take the assumed value as this one. Okay. So this would be at 0. Now what is this? This is your u of I is equal to x of I minus e by your h. As you all know, h is 500. So if I solve this, I'll get minus 1, I'll get minus 2, I'll get minus 4. So similarly, the opposite of this one. Now, sigma of f of I into u of I, you need to this means do these two multiplication. When I do that, the result of 96 minus 120. Here I'll get minus 6. Here I'll get minus 28. Here I'll get 0. Here I'll get 20. Here I'll get 32. Here I'll get 31. Here I'll get 21, right? So 21. So sigma of f of I into u of I, if you are solving this, we'll get minus 1035. Okay, so just substituting everything in the above formula here, that is 3250. This is your minus 235 by f of I is 200 into 500. This double zero remove directly, and you are doing 2 into. Then I do that and divide it by 2. So that's left out 3250 minus 587. That would be your required answer. This is 2662.50 is the required mean value of the given data. So let's look at the fourth sum. And here also you need to remove, I think, mean of the given data. So here also I will be taking only step division method. This step deviation method here is the mean. X bar is given as a plus sigma of 45 h value. Okay. So let's see how to solve this. This is your class interval. This is your frequency. This would be your x of I, and you know that mode, that is z, equals to L plus uh, L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f2 your h. Okay, so let's substitute everything quickly. The class interval is 15 to 20, 25, 5 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and this value is 2, 0, 3, 10, 9, 8, and again 3. So the maximum value of this one is your 10. So I'm taking this as f1, this as your value of L. And just substituting in the mode, that is your L is your 30. F1 is 10 minus 9 by 2 into 10, that is your 20, minus 9 minus 3 into h value is 5. I hope this substitution is clear for everyone. Like solve this, z is equals to 3 plus this becomes 5 only, this becomes 20, 20 plus 11, what got to be your, okay, let me check this one. So yeah, here I'll get 8, right? 8. So dividing these two here, I'll get 0.5. How do I have it? You need to divide this, then only will get the answer. So the data of this one is 20.625 as your required mode value, as your required mode value. This is correct. Wait, here 30. Okay, 30. 1620 as your required mode value. So let's look at the mean value then. X of I is your middle value of the class intervals. So here it is 17.5, here it is 22.5, and here it is 27.5. This is 32.5. This comes 2.5. Get those that come. So yeah, then is there something? Yes. 2.5 I missed out. I mean, just get that 7.5. Value is 7.5. This 5 only. So let me remove u of y, that is psi minus a by h. H, you know the value is 5. I'm taking the value of this one. This the value of a. So eventually this becomes 0. This is 3. Here 1, 2, 3, and the next one will be your 4, obviously, right? So u of I, f of I, that is of I into u of I, and this get minus here. Minus 10, this is your 0, 3, 0, 0, Now you require this summation. So summation I am doing this 8 and 3 quarter, that is your 11, 11 minus, that's your 5. So whatever you're getting 5 is 18 minus 20. And similarly, this is a sigma of 5 when I have all this I'm getting here. Okay. So I'm just substituting everything here, 32 5 plus that's a sigma of 5 is a 35 minus, again this is 5 times, this is 7 times. Right? So isn't it quite simple? So this is 5 minus 32.5 minus 3, 8 something will be getting it. So the resultant of this is 29.55 is your equal here. Yeah, right. So I think this would be your easy sum because you need to only the mode over here. This is your Bass interval, the runs, this is your frequency, that is your number of batsmen. Therefore, this is 18, 9, 7, 3, 1, and 1. And the runs over here, I can take this 1,000. Here also 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 6,000, 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000. The last one over here will be getting 10. Last one over here will be getting 10. So if you look at this frequencies over here, what with highest frequency, that is your F1, your F, your value of L. So the mode of the given data, as you all know, and that is substituting the formulas here. That is L plus, let me write the formula F1. Okay. So here L value came out to be 4,000 plus F1 is your 80 minus your 4 by 2 times of H means 6 minus F naught is 4 minus 9 into your H value comes out to be 1000. So from here up to here 4000 plus this comes out how much is comes out 14 times. I'm adding those 3 zeros also. I'm just doing this to multiplication over here as well. So this becomes as how much? This is 23. Now when I'm dividing up these two, I'll get 4000 plus when you're dividing it 6.5, this is your resultant. Okay. So the overall resultant is 0.87 approximately. This is approximately. Okay. So this would be your required solution to do that. I think you people will be able to do the division. So I'm skipping it out. So let's look at the sixth sum directly. I think it is the last sum of your exercise. Yes. So this is your last sum of the exercise. So let's basically this is your number of cars. This is the number of cars that is your class interval. This is yeah. F5. Okay. So let me write the frequency 17, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, and here you are having it. At last, this is your 72. The above one is 60 to 70. One is 50 to 60. The next is 40. The earlier is 30 to 40. The earlier is 20. The earlier is your 10 to 20. This one will be your 0 to 10. If you're looking at this data, this is your highest F2. And this should be the value of F. So here the mode of this given data, that is I'm sorry, L plus F1 minus F naught, right? Right? 2 times of F1 minus F minus H value. So the model of this given data, that is L value is 40 plus F1 minus F2, that is your 8. By 2 into F1 is your 40 minus F naught plus F2, you are adding this is your 23 into H value is 10. So at last 40 plus 8 by, when I'm separating these two, this comes out 17 and into 10. So doing these two into, that is 40 plus 80 by 17. When I'm dividing by upon 17, I'll get 4.7 approx. So the resultant of this one is 44 exactly. So your number of